Check this out. My very first fidget blanket. So I make it with a tie. I attach it to the back. And this will be sent to a church, so they can send it to a nursing home. So look at this. So something for them to tie and untie, for them to put their hands in. How fun is that? Yeah? But the man activity. Look at this. So what I'm hoping for is that they play with this, they enjoy it, it stimulates their brain, just kind of muscle memory, and just make them happy. That's what I'm hoping for. Look at that. How cute is that? And then when they're done, they can just fold it up, fold it, fold this, and put it away. And you know, also this one, it has flannel on the bottom, so it keeps them warm in the winter as well, so that's very nice. And on the top is the cotton, so it's very nice and smooth, so that's very nice as well. I'm excited.